Building a car able to open new roads and possibilities is no longer impossible, since we made it possible. Lamborghini introduces Urus. The super sport utility vehicle is no longer impossible, since we made it possible.
Lamborghini must have the most extreme proportions, and the Urus will have a proportion that is absolutely outstanding and you have never seen on the road before. My philosophy is always expect the unexpected, and first of all the Urus is a Lamborghini because it looks also unexpectedly beautiful. The car is outstanding in terms of architecture proportion. We took a lot of inspiration for me on two models. One is the Countach and one is the LM002. On the Countach we took everything that is important for the design DNA of Lamborghini. The low profile, the strong angle of the side windows. Then also for me important, when you look at the front of the car, there are these diagonal lines that you can also find on the front hood of the Urus. When you see the car on the rear, the Countach is also having these diagonal lines, and we have repeated them also on the Urus when you see the car from the rear view. Another really strong influence was the LM002. This was our first super SUV, the world's first super SUV was born in the 80s, and this car was also a big influence for us. I want to name the wheel arches, I want to name the front hood with the strong power dome. These were all elements that we were influenced, but we have designed them in an unexpected way, very dynamic in the new car. A small detail, there's a small triangular air outlet on the LM002, and that was our inspiration for the little triangular air outlet on the Urus that is also proudly wearing the Italian flag, showing I'm born, I'm designed in Sant'Agata Bolognese.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Urus.
Illuminiamo?
Automobili Lamborghini, Stefan Winkelmann.
It's with immense pride of the entire Lamborghini team that tonight I have the pleasure to finally present the Lamborghini Urus. Urus is the wild ancestor of today's fighting bull. Fast, strong, courageous. In one word, invincible. If you want to create or you want to enter a new segment, it has to be a perfect match with the core values of the brand. And our values are uncompromising, extreme, and Italian. This car has a stunning design. It's outstanding. And you can immediately recognize a real Lamborghini. It's only 1.66 meters high. It has a high but adjustable ground clearance, and it has variable aerodynamics. We are using carbon fiber also in structural parts to reduce the weight of the car by 100 kilos, and this in comparison with similar type of cars. 600 horsepower, which is leading to stunning acceleration, perfect in terms of handling and braking behavior. And last but not least, we also want to be best in class in CO2 emissions. This car should be sold, the Lamborghini Urus, worldwide on a yearly base 3,000 times in the high end of the SUV segment. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a perfect match for the Lamborghini brand. Always different, always Lamborghini. Grazie e buonasera.
fu presa nel 2015, la situazione economica in Italia non era certamente stabile quanto lo è oggi. Convincere il management del gruppo circa le nostre capacità imprenditoriali, manageriali ed ingegneristiche non è stato un compito facile. È stato un grande riconoscimento per il nostro brand e una decisione coraggiosa, ma oggi stiamo dimostrando che è stata la decisione giusta. Il modello operativo Urus rappresenta una vera applicazione 4.0 in uno stabilimento automotive integrato, equipaggiato con logistica e linee di produzione automatizzate, robot collaborativi e lavoratori di alta professionalità, che forniscono tutti insieme un flusso informativo continuo. L'innovazione è fortemente focalizzata al miglioramento della competitività del prodotto grazie all'ottimizzazione dei costi e alla flessibilità.